Hi, Clancy Boyer here with MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at a Sea Ray 350 SLX. What makes this boat special is the extra features that it has on it. Lots and lots of accessories. It has a fold-out swim platform that folds down a couple of different levels. You'll see that in the pictures. You also have the flush outs for the engines here. Obviously the seating in the back. The cup holders even light up with the theater lighting. So as we move forward, we're walking on the faux teak, which is very comfortable on the feet. So come on inside, let's see what the rest of the boat has to offer. All right, here we are inside the 350 SLX. This is a 2016 model. Loaded with options. You can see it's got the power sure shade that comes out, extends all the way out. No cranking, it's power. You have the opening moonroof. You have the Kenyon grill setup. Very nice. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. A sink area, refrigerator, trash. Obviously, it has the boom system, the big stereo system. There's your big subwoofer. I love the seating, how it shapes all the way around and ends up at the first mate seat, which is double, and the helm seat's double. So come on aboard and let's take a look at some more. All right, here we are at the helm area. Dual seating. My wife really likes that, be able to sit next to me when I'm running the boat. This is a really neat setup on here. You see there's not a lot of clutter, and that's because they've incorporated a lot of the controls into the screen. So I can turn the lights on, off, do all kinds of stuff, control the swim platform, all kinds of things here from the screen. Tilt steering, vessel view, an extra screen, aircraft quality push buttons. Here we've got push button starting. It has the Linko auto tabs. Makes it easy to run the boat. The computer does the work for you. Spotlight controls. As you guessed it, this boat has the joystick system. So it has the skyhook, the auto heading, all of that stuff. So from satellite, it keeps you anchored virtually. Here's your joystick. So just when I pulled in here earlier, I just touched lightly sideways and the boat slid right in. So some of the examples of what this system will do, check out the table in the back. I'm going to put the table up right now so you'll see it rising. This eliminates the need to muscle around a big heavy table, the need for storage of the table. It's a pretty neat feature. Has a couple of different speeds during the mode for safety. Sounds an alarm before it's going down. Give you a chance to clear. Slows down when it gets closer to the bottom and then stops. Now I have to push the button again. Just making sure everyone's aware that the table's going down. Great safety precautions from Sea Ray. All right, as we finish moving through the 350 SLX, you'll see it has a very large head, full toilet, sink, shower, locking glove box. So if you go to the beach and you want to plug in your phone while you're at the beach, you have that option in here and then lock it up. Lots and lots of cup holders and speakers. Wind door, windshield goes down. Little bunk area here. A lot of your switches are down in there, but this could be a bunk area, but it's really great for storage. Moving forward, I love the bow of this boat. It's just so roomy. There's so much space. You can sit any direction you want. Extremely wide back here, wide enough for two people on each side. So one person can be sitting here and the other person sitting next to them. Everybody has cup holders, grab rails, speakers. Tables come out from here, here. This boat has theater lighting throughout, underneath all the seats. So at night, it's just magnificent looking. Up in the hardtop, everywhere. Has the blue rope lighting. It's just beautiful. Looks really nice. Well, listen, thanks a lot for taking a look at this boat. Give me a call if you have any interest, and I'd be happy to show it to you in person.